Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you wanted to learn on how to create Google Chrome form on your computer or in your laptop. So stay tuned in this video because this video tutorial is for you. So the very first thing that we have to do is to open your Google Chrome. And then as you open this, you'll be able to see this 9 dot in the right corner, right upper corner. Just click that one, which are the Google apps. Then just scroll down and you'll be able to find forms. As you click the forms, you will be directed in here. So now that you are directed in this page, you will be able to see this template gallery. We have here the contact information, the RSVP, the party invite, t-shirt sign up, event registration, and so on. So now let's try the blank form. Let's try to create a survey. So let's say that we're going to create a survey about this tutorial. So let's put here survey. You can also put your description in here, but let's not just put one. So now we're going to add an option. So here we have the untitled question. So the question will be, is this tutorial helpful? So now that you've added your question, of course, we also wanted to generate answers. So you'll be able to choose in here whether you wanted your responder to just put a short answer, a paragraph, a multiple choice, or you wanted to add multiple choices or check boxes. So since they can answer with yes or no, we can just put or we can click short answer. Another thing also is you can toggle this one on if this question is very required, or if not, then it will be an optional question. So I'm going to put this one required. And then if you wanted to add more question, then just click this add button. And then let's try to put another question. Do you want to see more videos like this? Or more tutorials like this? You can also put why. And then you can then choose in here. So since you've put or you typed why, then the responses will be in a paragraph form because they'll be able to, so that they'll be able to explain why they wanted to see more tutorials like this. So now that we've added this enough questions or the sample questions in here, you can just directly publish this one, and then after publishing your form, then you will be able to copy the link so that you'll be able to send this to your student or to your responders that you wanted to answer. So that's how you do, or that's how you create a Google Chrome form in your PC or in your laptop. So I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please give us your thumbs up. And if you find this video helpful for you, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.